Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft issued a warning today. And it has to do with a lot of people getting the Dell patch on Windows Update, which was clearly meant only for Dell computers, but that a lot of you actually reported, just like me, that you got it in Windows Updates. So Microsoft wants to say that it has to do with a little switch that you can turn on and off. And they say that if your switch for get the latest updates as soon as they're available is on, you are getting that patch, which is actually not necessary if you don't own a Dell PC. And so they wanted to issue that warning that remember the get latest updates as soon as they're available also makes out of band patches install on PCs. So it's kind of a warning that Microsoft wanted to give here, saying that yeah, if you got that switch on, you got that, out of band patch, that's not for you. And even though Microsoft did say it doesn't actually do anything on the PCs that are not Dell PCs affected by an issue, it really isn't necessary to have that update on any computers except the Dell computers. So they say that this is the consequence of that switch being on. If you want to have the latest features, the latest updates. And their recommendation actually is to keep this off for most users. And that will prevent anything like the Dell patch that, was pushed on to go through. Now, I have a question for you guys because I have mixed signals from reading online and even in the comments. Those of you that aren't using a Dell computer and that received the Dell patch, so the Dell patch, if you want to know if you got it, is the update that says 2026 update KB 512.1767. It simply states update, nothing else. Check if you got this update. If you do, was your switch on for get the latest updates? Because some people I have had comments say that that switch was off on their PC and they still got it, just out of curiosity. But Microsoft seems to say that people that are having that out of band patch have turned on the get the latest updates as soon as available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.